In the meantime, the revelation of the possible closure of PETROJAM on Thursday has reportedly sent shockwaves across the workforce of the oil refinery. The Union of Clerical, Administrative and Supervisory Employees UK, which represents PETROJAM workers, is insisting that despite a new Minister of Energy, Prime Minister Andrew Holness needs to address this critical revelation. The disclosure was made yesterday that the $34 million valuation of PETROJAM is based on the assumption that refinery operations will cease at the end of this year and that 70% of workers will be sent home.
The Prime Minister needs to just come clean, put everything on the table, and let Jamaica know exactly what is happening. We don't want no more of this drip information coming out and being squeezed out, whether willingly or unwillingly. The Prime Minister took over the portfolio. He has handed it over to a new minister. I think that the Prime Minister must come and address the nation. But first, he must meet with the workers and the union, tell them what his position is, so at least the workers can know where they stand. People have to live their lives, and they cannot live their life in this extended mode of uncertainty. It is going on for too long now.